You can sweeten this with a little honey, or you can have it just the way it is. Hi guys, welcome back to another video on Mel's Kitchen, and today's video will be a little bit special as I'm going to be showing you something that I've been using lately, and I just decided that I'm going to share it with you. This is one of my newfound love, and it is a very rich tea which is made of turmeric, lemon, ginger, coconut oil and black pepper. Okay, so the reason why I'm using black pepper and coconut oil is because I'm using the turmeric, and so I am going to go ahead and take the outside of the turmeric off. So I'm just gonna scrape it like that with the knife lightly, and I'm just using a small piece because turmeric is very rich, so I just use a small piece because I'm going to be making a blend with ginger and the turmeric. So I just need a small piece of turmeric, and be very careful when you're using the turmeric because it will stain your fingers because of this bright orange look of the turmeric. Now that I have my turmeric, the skin is all gone, I'm gonna go ahead and just use the bottom of the coconut oil container and just pound it. Just pound it like that, and then I'm gonna drop that into my pot. This is the pot that I'm using. I'm gonna drop these into the pot. All right, there we go. For the ginger, I'm going to be using all of this ginger. So what I'm going to do to make sure I get a good extraction from the ginger itself, I'm just gonna grate it on my grater on this side. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grate all of this ginger and put it into the pot. And this tea, it is said that it's best drink in the mornings on empty stomach or before bed at night. So we're going to make this tea and enjoy it. Now that my ginger is ready, I'm gonna go ahead and put everything into the pot, just like that. And for the lemon, I'm gonna slice the lemon really thin. However, I will not be cooking the lemon with the turmeric and the ginger. When the ginger and the turmeric is finished boiling and cools down just a little bit, we are going to add the lemon into it. And you can go ahead and add whatever else you want into this tea, like garlic, for example. You can add that. I do that sometimes. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a little black pepper to it. You can use just one of the seed of the black pepper, but I don't want to open mine, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just turn this a few times to get that out. There we go. Cover this back, and then I am going to add, this looks good, I'm going to add a little bit of my coconut oil in there, not too much, like about that amount. I'm gonna add my water in there, put this on to boil. So to give you guys a visual, that is what it's looking like right now, and I'm just gonna cover it. Alright you guys, so this is boiling. I had added a little bit more water to it. So this is boiling and it smells so good. The flavor of the ginger smells really nice. The reason for the black pepper and the coconut oil was to activate the curcumin within the turmeric. So we're just gonna let this boil a few more minutes and then we take it off. So it's gonna be basically like you're drinking some soup if you're wondering about the pepper within this tea. So don't worry about the pepper at all, it's not that hot. It's been a few hours since I made the tea, and I'm going to go ahead and strain it off in here. Or you don't have to strain it off, you can store it just as it is. Now I'm gonna go ahead and store it into this jar and put it into my fridge. That way when I'm ready for it, I can just throw some out, and we'll have our tea. Voila, there you go guys. And you can sweeten this with a little honey, or you can have it just the way it is. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to Naz Kitchen, catch up and keep up, and of course I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.